Okay, I'm going to try and do my best to film this for you. This is the undercarriage of the Meteor I'm building. It's made of a few parts. You got the mudguard. The wheel is in two sections. There's a section there and a section there. There's about 5 pieces in all to make so far. But the kit doesn't come with the support structure which holds the mudguard in place. So what you need to do, instructions actually say you can do that yourself if you're clever enough, which is very complimentary, but what I've got is some pre-painted rod from a company called Evergreen, and what I'm going to do, I've held it in place by a bit of plasticine, modelling clay, whatever you want to call it. Oh, and now that's moving as well. Trickier than I first thought. Never mind, we gotta keep trying so I can show you what I'm going to do. I need to measure how long this rod needs to be to act as a support strut. I'm going to try and push that back down again in place. That'll do for the video. Now, with it, cocktail stick, I'm going to try and put it there. Oh, this isn't working, is it? That's near enough. So what I'm going to do now, because I normally use a magnifying glass with this, but I'm looking through the camera to see what's happening close up. I put a bit of paint on the end of a cocktail stick and use it to mark where the point is I want to cut it at. So if I can do that there, if I can, God, this is like robotic surgery, this is. There we are, that'll do. Oh, now it's picked it up. See, it's trickier than it looks, but if I let that fall, I can take it off. There we go. Hopefully what I've got left is a piece of rod. Oh, it didn't work, did it? I'll have to find another way of doing this, but you get the impression, you get the idea. Put it there and try to then measure where it needs to be cut to, and hopefully if I can chase this around the desk, because it's gone a bit wrong, you can see that it's going to be there eventually. I'll use the scalpel to cut it to size there. And in the next video I should be able to show you the results, but I'm going to keep this and I'm going to show you this because if things go wrong you can see why they went wrong and not do them yourself. It's all part of the learning process, isn't it? Okay, bye.